Hi, welcome back. Okay, now I will take you, Eric. Now I will take you to the reforming workshop.
This is our final station, right?
Yes, final station.
Okay.
See, this is our turnover area to storage the PVC which the sheet machine produces. See,
So,
this is a clear color.
but this is not the raw materials, right?
Yes,
Not raw materials,
made by raw material by sheet machine.
but you mean when the thermal products come out in this sheet, right?
Yes, actually, compare the injection machine, and we have one more procedure for the forming machine. We have before proceeding, we need to make the PPC first.
Yes, I think so big a raw material.
Yes, our is raw material, and this is clear color,
The transparent, yes.
and this is special and two-tone color. Outside is red color,
Red,
and the inside is black color.
that's special.
Yes, this is
Because
our strength.
because now on the markets I just show the products that one has just one single color, not just this is special because one side is red and one side is black.
It's very popular in the market.
But for example, if I want other color, one white, one green, one side,
Yes,
one side white and one side green, can you make that?
yes, no problem. We can do the double color. As for color, you can choose the color you like.
Okay.
This is just outside is this color is very popular in the market, and outside is the red, and inside is the black.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. You want to say how the sheet made?
I suppose one one rolling sheet will be very heavy, right? One
Around 1 ton.
one tons.
1 ton.
So um, can the I mean the thickness of the sheet? Can you introduce because you know
No, I
on the
already told you.
on the market I see the same products, but one is lighter, one
Okay,
is heavier.
let me show you how the sheet machine works.
Okay, okay.
We have the two sheet machines, and the one is one is for produce the transparent color, and one is single color. One is single color, and one is for two-tone color.
Yes, please show me. But you mean this machine is make the rolling sheet
Yes,
like that?
this one is produced by the single color.
Single color.
Yeah, and this one, see, okay, this is the color I just show you.
Yes,
This is a two-tone
it's
color.
two colors.
Yes.
One is red, the red and black.
Yeah, under is the black color, and
Yes,
the upper is the red color.
that's very special. You mean the uh in outside inside is black and outside
Okay,
is
no
red.
problem. We can adjust it by adjust the
So I
dimension
show
of
the rolling bar here, and then you mean here rolling to a
Yes.
about 1 tons, and then you will put there.
Okay, let me show you how the machine works.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen the material? Mix the material.
Yes, you also like a small swimming pool for putting the raw materials inside.
And then transfer from this tube
This tube. Pump,
Go inside the hopper.
pump this
Yeah.
up and down the hopper.
Yes. Yes.
So the raw materials will be melt by a little high temperature. Okay.
This machine is very long.
Yes, it's so long.
Yeah, very long. Okay.
Yes, I saw that sheet. The PP sheet is coming out.
Yeah.
It is quite special.
This color is very beautiful.
Yes.
And see here.
Very shining.
Here is the cutter. See? Did you see?
Oh, yes.
And we can have the specific length. Wait.
A fixed
Here.
length.
Yes.
And this will be the edge will be cut from here, right?
This color is very bright and beautiful. Right?
It is shining. I mean, it is shining. Very beautiful color.
This is a very good selling point.
Yeah,
Or
yes.
good strength for our factory. Okay.
Yes, and I saw this here. The material is directly go to the press machine. Crushing. Crushing machines.
Yes. Pressing machine. Okay.
Okay.
After you see how the steam machine works, I will show you how the container is made.
Yes, and I have one question. You know this sheet thickness. The thickness is fixed or can adjust.
We can adjust the thickness.
You know, different markets they make the quality is different and price cost is different.
Yes.
So
So this is this thermoforming food container can also suit for both high end customer and low end customer because we can adjust the thickness
thickness.
of the sheet.
Okay.
Each customer needs a high quality, and we can make the thickness thinner and make the container very strong.
Yeah, yes.
But for the injection, comparing the injection machine and the container, is the weight is fixed.
Yes. I know that.
It's more flexible.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Let's
So,
continue to say how the
so
container.
before that, we know how the PP sheet were made out. So now, can you show me uh, how to make a flat sheet? Make the flat sheet out. Some, for example, the lunch box. Okay.
For the container making, we mainly use the cup making machine.
Cup making machines.
This one is the cup making machine.
This one. Yes, I saw that. They, it is making the bowl.
Yeah. Okay, maybe we can go there machine to say how it works.
Okay.
The same machine. Just the moon is different. This one
Yeah.
is wall and this one is
It's rectangle.
container.
Like rectangle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Yes, I saw the rolling sheet here. Oh, now I have a very clear understanding about how thermoforming is.
That's the movie we just saw in the
Yeah,
movie.
yeah, yes, I saw the moon.
Drawing head, upper drawing head,
Yes,
and bottom is the cavity moon.
and you mean when they close together and going head
Drawing head pumps inside the
cavity.
cavity moon by
So
high temperature and the pressure, high
yes,
pressure.
yes. So the sheet will foaming like this.
Yes.
And
With the
before
high
that,
with the high temperature and the high press and make the container as it is.
yes, I understand. Before punching down, the sheet need to hitting, right? Hitting, and then the drawing head will punch down.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
And the same color we can go inside the press machine directly.
Yes, and how many? What about the daily output?
If the machine runs day and night, and it's around 60,000 per day.
60,000 pieces.
60,000 per day.
60.
60,000
Okay.
per day.
So also the stack. Also the stack is fixed quantity. Also the stack is fixed quantity.
Yes, yes. We can stand up like the injection molding, injection machine. We can stand up like 30 pieces one cent
Yeah, yes.
and 25 pieces cent.
But for the thermal foaming machines also can set the
Yes, we can stand
fixed
up.
quantity for one stack. Yeah, that's good because it can make sure the correct quantity. Okay.
And finally, and workers will take and
Put in a poly bag.
put it back and then finally do the cotton.
Like yes. Good. Oh, another cup making machine.
Yeah, same machine. Just the molding is different.
Yes, I saw that mold
Yes.
in the machine. So also the I think a design is very good for the mechanical hand because they will take out the bow from the when the mold open. You see the mold open and the mechanic hand will take. Okay, this will be more safe if for the workers. I think.
And okay.
So for the because you already show me the mold, and also show me the machine how it makes the products out. So I have a very clear understanding about how it works and also the quantity.
Here is the multi-station foaming machine. Actually, the more or less the simple procedure of that.
Now,
But there is the limited for the head.
the head.
Yeah.
For example, can you say the head?
Yeah. So the head is too tall, so cannot make by this machine.
Yeah,
Normally, we just can produce the lead.
the lead.
Yes, with this machine.
Yes. So I saw that it when when foaming, it also cut at the same time.
So we call the multi-station foaming machine.
Multi-station
Yes.
because they finish this process at one time.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. This is more effective.
And this one is also the multi-station machine. Also produce the square need.
Yes. Yes. Also the leak. Uh, the height is not much. So made by this machine would be effective.
Yes.
And daily output is good.
Mm.
Okay, understand. So
Okay.
yeah, yes. So
Okay. Finally, I will take you to see our blister machine.
blister.
Blister, yeah. This is our office. Here is our performing office.
Yes. It needs a small
This is my
workshop office that to make sure
mm,
the production is very smooth and stable.
yeah. This is
And
my colleague Chen Yun. Hi.
yes, hi. And can keep everything in good conditions and make some records of production, right?
Yes, yes.
It, it is very necessary to have this office for management, for production, I think. So you were introduce the blister machine.
Yes. The machine is a little is too old because we buy it several years ago.
That means seeing at the beginning of the establishment of the factory, right?
Yes, yes.
I also show the workers wear the cap and wear the mask, and the cap and the mask.
Yes, yes. It's a must for the workers.
So it is
This is the blister machine. And we produce sheet very thinner sheet.
yes, but
Like UPS sheet.
but I show that I see that sheet is not cut. The lid is not cut.
Yes, it's a whole sheet. And then we go here to the punch press.
Oh, you mean this is forming and this is cutting
Yeah, punch press.
separate?
Separate. Actually, now for this kind of thing, we can produce by the multi-station forming machine, but the molding cost is very high comparing the blister molding.
But I think that machine making leaks is more effective.
Yes, yes. So depends on the customer's request. Because if customer the demand is not too big and not want to cost so much for the molding, so we can choose this blister machine.
So you mean if customer um, would like to make the leak of cost down a little, and if the ship if the shipment time is not very urgent, we can make the leak by this machine.
Actually, for this machine, the production, the output is also okay every day.
The quality is okay.
Yeah, quality is okay.
Okay.
Quantity is okay. Yeah.
Yes, that's good. Okay, now
Actually, already registered for the performing manufacturing workshop.
yes, and I see this workshop is much bigger than the injection workshop.
It's,
I think it's much bigger. The square meters, I think, is much bigger. The area of this workshop is much bigger than the injection.
okay.
So now I have a very, very clear concept and understanding about your factories. You have two workshop, injection and thermoforming, and you already tell me how the machines works. So I also know very clear about what products you make. One is injection and one is thermoforming. So next, can you show me the products and the difference between the thermoforming products and the injection products?
Now, after you visit the two workshop, and I believe you must be very interesting on our
Products. Yes.
So now I will take you to our showroom.
Showroom.
Have a look all of our products.
So there are many series, many kinds, many styles products in the showroom. Okay.
Because during the visit, you just see some.
Oh, I saw this like raw material warehouse.
Yeah, this is the warehouse to storage the raw material.
Raw materials.
And the BOPS sheet.
PP raw materials. I think this is for storage of the raw materials is good because they are put on the pallet and they also arrange in very good order and tidy. You know, this side very tidy, and then there is some area and I mean aisles for the machines inside to take the one pallet by one pallet out.
See, that's a BOPS sheet.
Oh, I saw.
Because for overseas market and the customer requires the BOPS sheet.
Yes, it is more shining.
More shining and also more clear, and we can see the food inside very clearly.
Yes, and especially for
it's anti-fog.
Yes, because I know some attribution of the materials because it is anti-fog, as you say. Yes, and especially for the hot food, it is necessary because hot food will be some steam, and the water will come out as steam format, and it will stop. I will stop on the lid. So if anti-fog, you will not you clear, and you can also clear see inside what's the food inside. I understand.
But for domestic market, they demand they request the PP sheet more than the BOPS sheet. So different country, different requirement, different culture.
What about business this year? Because I saw, I mean the flow of raw materials. I mean flow, like flow of raw materials. I mean how often and the frequency. How often the frequency?
For this year, our business increased very crazy.
Great.
Because you know, for the
COVID-19.
Yeah.
So people like takeaway food more.
Yeah, people cannot allow to eat at the restaurant, and so they have to pack. So that's why the increase of the takeaway food container increased very crazily.
Yes, because they would like to prevent spreading of the virus of COVID-19. So